Hello Internet, and today I'm going to be trying something I haven't before. That is try to rake open one of these small 4-pin ABUS locks. This one in particular is a 54 Ti/40. Now, like the master lock number 3 I have over here, this is a 4-pin lock without security pins. But unlike the Master Lock, the Walmart Generic Hyper Tough, or the Brinks 4-pin laminate equivalent, these are made to much tighter tolerances. And I haven't actually even attempted to rake an ABUS yet, so this is the first attempt. Let's see how badly this goes. I was not expecting that. I wasn't expecting like instant opening. Let's grab a different one. $55.40. Sure, it's not actually that easy. I just did something absurdly lucky there. Alright, this is going more like I expected. Let's try city right here. I lost all the tension there. Always have the most luck with the snake rake. Let's go back to that. Okay. That is interesting. Hasn't opened up. It's almost like the first time was a fluke. Now, wasn't it? Well, so I will. Well, that was an interesting experience. This one pretty much popped open. This one has not. No, I haven't. Let's try this one. Should really not be any real difference between the core structure on any of these. But apparently there is some difference. Well, there you go, Internet. This has evolved in a way I did not anticipate. So yes, there is apparently a difference between the ABUS 54Ti-40 and the ABUS 55-40. Because these effectively just popped open with the snake rake here, and this one will not. So with that unexpected result achieved, subscribe if you so choose to. And have a nice day.